Our working calendar la zi choro du za hiba chonu date 4 la za is a entrepreneurship and business management workshop is a lile hatse gona hiba workshop hiba entrepreneurship and business management workshop hitza is a kunuti ni na duma tanya sala tu retano sasara lungpiro apam zenu baza hatse kitchen matesore is a litola hiba general meeting la pasa kona achakam makeshe ta chakang kanong balile resource person is a balungiza rutano ko hisaka tang atungte entrepreneurship yo hila ara development basic business management skill din na sanong balile awareness of hila food staff and standard authority of India yo makala this micro small and medium enterprises registration sanong balile hatse kona business tigere rukudina hatse startup sanong banindang hatse government of India na lang baba hatse chaza ma lang baba likale ri abam the procedure lan isana register sa kona nguchi no wakala isaningdang ko business long period ningdang entrepreneurship nindang lang atung lile loan baba government facility lile ko ade seba food and staff safety and standard here is the authority of India la registered sakala nanang uchi checho ba here abam za igya ilano sa atsongya malinong balile here is the registration za pa yang chino office la vare ko hezo za nyamo bekamen kare ta hiba date 4 nyamo za hila on spot registration isa ningdang chaza acha lile na office lang yang chi na kutsi pekape na mavano hila on spot la register sano kona hizo kyo baru sa micro small and medium entrepreneurs hiri adamula sa na nolam kyo na zla registration sana na asla ningze kana loan baba government your skill loan baba atung facility likale no hila kunuti ko turati ko alung pira rona hila nolam kyakala khatang isa litro ko isa suzarati ko isa kukidin na amwano chano hatse kona date 4 nyamong isa workshop lile ko resource person isa palungi charu chano ko hitba bekhala thaline yore hila food safety ko la ades standard authority of India your registration small micros medium and enterprise hiri registration apamcha hila on spot to chanwe hatse kona hiba chacha achacha Miss Matsasonya is a nolam Suzarati go turati along pira nolam kano hatza chomachire go bekata 9:30 to 10 dashiza registration sano go na 10 lana workshop za